foot health, which is stability, sthirata, और इसका input has to come from various ends. One of the strength is balance strength, which comes from the eyes and ears as a concept to work on. So foot health is not only about helping you to build your quads, build your glutes. It's also about balance concept. आप जब भी squat करते हैं तो balance भी करना पड़ता है. जब तक आप posture, eyes, ears, information बराबर देते हैं, you'll realize your hamstrings and your glutes and your quads work more efficiently via the foot.
Right.
And that's why foot placement in a squat is very important. How you place your foot is very important. So if you want to build a good strength in your body, health is important. Balance is also one of the key components for that. People do a lot of things to do on one leg, double leg, etc. सब अच्छे हैं, कोई खराब नहीं, but start at the base. Working on one-legged stance and doing things is also a great way to build stability. First, build the stability on bipedal and then go on a single pedal. Otherwise, just jumping onto इससे मेरा strength बढ़ेगा, इससे मेरा strength बढ़ेगा करके आप अगर single leg पे जाओगे, that's not going to be a great idea. So just wrapping the whole concept of what you said, that people test their ability by tying their shoelaces. It's a great fun and game, but back into the movement concept in your day-to-day life, whether you're in the bathroom, whether you are in the office, whether you are anywhere in the kitchen or whatever, try and make sure that you stand against gravity for some time, even when you're praying. That's a very sanctile area, right? So if you stand and pray, it helps you to stabilize your foot. आंखें जैसे बंद करोगे आपका ध्यान फुट पे जाएगा. But my direction of understanding is going somewhere else. So the great way to do that is to draw attention, which will also help you to understand आपकी weakness कितनी है, आपकी strength कितनी है. And that will help you. If you do this from day in and out and not only in the gym or the exercise or whatever, this will be a great way to build your foot balance and which will contribute to your knee health, which will contribute to building better